Good morning. This is Howard from YouTube Creators Forum, and I'm an electrical engineer with a computer background. Been on the internet since 1995 and been on YouTube for a long time. Today we're going to talk about keyword searches and keyword programs. Keyword searching is going to help you decide on how to promote and how to choose your YouTube videos. Okay, we're back. Okay, today I'm going to talk about two programs, and the first, two add-ons to your browser, to Chrome browser. No, the one is VidIQ, and the other one is Keyword Everywhere. And both of those programs are very similar, or they're add-ons they're extensions that will allow you to do keyword search, and they come up with statistics, monthly statistics for all the keywords that you search on. Today I don't have a gimmick, but maybe I do.
Good morning. This is Donald Trump. Everything's going to be incredible. You're going to get the best of the best from YouTube Creators Forum today.
Well, thanks, President Trump. Or my gimmick. You can use a gimmick if you want to help improve your channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump right into these two programs, and right now, or these two extensions, I'm going to squinch myself down into the corner. Well, maybe over here. And first thing I'm going to use the VidIQ. These utilities are free, and the way you use them, you can either decide on a type of video from popular searches, because your popular searches are what people are looking for, and then you decide to do a video on that topic. Or stick to your own topic, but use these utilities to find out the number of searches for those particular terms. And then you would do the video, and then you take those terms and you put those keywords in your title, which is the first thing they look at. You can get visibility in YouTube. VidIQ is already installed. I installed the extension. Let's see. By the way, I'm using OBS Studio, Open Broadcaster Studio, to record this, and I will be editing it later in Adobe Premiere Pro, which I use mainly for my editing. I've been doing political parodies, and let's search for President Trump. We'll do that. Doing a search for President Donald Trump. And it comes up with the 110,000 searches, and in the right side of the screen there's more information. It shows monthly searches for that keyword, 55,500. Highest 316,000. Average views 57,000. Subscribers. All those statistics that you can use to plan your videos. And then below that are other keywords that were searched for. Trump for president. Now if I type in, let's see, Trump president, and this changes. So I type in Trump for president, and it's showing up in the upper left hand corner, 165,000 searches per month. And then in the right side on the screen under VidIQ, it shows monthly searches. It shows monthly searches 18,000, highest views 262,000, average views 58,000. Search for Donald Trump by itself. We'll do Donald Trump puppet search, and you get, well, it's showing monthly searches 3,000, highest views 2.5 million, average views 205,000. So you're getting statistics, and then you're getting other searches related to that. And just Donald Trump alone, getting 15 million searches, although it varies between the top left and the top right. and highest views are 493,000. Now I'm going to switch to Keyword Everywhere, and that now VidIQ is only your searches within your YouTube channel, but Keywords Everywhere, it's part of your Google search, so it's a separate extension. So here I'll type President. Now I'm at Google. President Donald Trump, and it's going to come up a little bit differently. It's still going to come up on the right side of the screen. It comes up in the volume about in the upper left. Oh, it comes up with 110,000 per month, just like VidIQ. And now, so right in the middle of the screen, you'll see related keywords, Melania Trump, and then people also search for. With this app, you get your searches, your volume 110,000 up in upper left-hand corner, and then related searches in the middle of the screen to the right. Different variations, like Donald Trump Twitter, Donald Trump News, and you can see that if you're going to do a video about Donald Trump, you've got a lot of people searching for him. Donald Trump puppet, and wow. So it's the same as a VidIQ. The volume is 1,300 per month searches, and then in the middle of the screen it shows related keywords: Trump Twitter, YouTube, Donald Trump. Let's try Trump. Well, it shows Trump Twitter. It's 3,350,000. Let's do Trump tweets. And just for the keywords Trump tweet is 60. Just for the keywords Trump tweet is 673,000, and over on the right side, Donald Trump is 11 million, and Trump News is 6 million, over 6 million. You plan your videos either around keyword searches or on your subject that you do. Stick with your subject. You work on your subject. You might decide a subject that is popular in the searches. Then you take those keywords and you put them in your title and in your description. Let me show you my channel, and I'll show you what I've done. I'm going to show you an example of what I did to use keywords to help my search engine optimization of my YouTube videos. And I've been doing these YouTube Creators Forum, and so here's keyword search, YouTube Creators Help. I type that in, let's see, YouTube Creators Help, then I hit search, and I have 475 million results for YouTube Creators Help. And then this is Keywords Everywhere on the middle of the screen. The related keywords: YouTube Creator Studio, 90,500 per month. YouTube Help Forum, 5,400. YouTube Support Email. So, and then also people search for YouTube, and YouTube Creator Studio, and you can see all those statistics. And you should use those statistics to plan out your videos and to do your search engine optimization for your videos. So let me go to my videos and I'll show you what I did. Here's YouTube Creators Chrome add-ons. This is something I did live, and let's go into it. Move myself over to the right, and you can see that if you look into the header, you'll see I have YouTube Creators Help Forum, new editor and keyword add-ons, and you can see the title in the description is YouTube Creators Help Forum, and then I go describe what I'm doing in that video. YouTube looks at the title and the description for keywords, and that's how they place your video. A lot of people finding you because of your title, and you can have. I actually last week or earlier this week I did one of these videos and I put the keywords up on top, and after I published it or edited it, I started getting like 5 searches immediately, and then overnight it was like 250 views of that video. And before changing the keywords to the better keywords, it was just coming in, trickling in. So this is something you should do when you're planning your videos. Anyhow, I'm Howard from Cyber Times LLC, YouTube Creators Forum. If you like this video, please subscribe. Subscribe button is in the right hand corner. If you want to tell me what you're doing and how you're handling your YouTube videos and how you're getting subscribers, or what isn't working, or tell me what is working, please leave those messages, those comments. And if you want your channel evaluated, please subscribe, and I'd be glad to evaluate your channel and suggest things that might help out. And maybe you don't need help, and maybe you're getting a lot of subscribers without help, but it's always good to have your YouTube channel checked out, and I'd be glad to do it.